Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is Lily. Surf is up today. This is in Tweed Head, and we're in Kingcliffe, and this is part of New South Wales, just on the border, I reckon. Well, that's what I was told anyway. So, beautiful day today. It has been raining this morning, but it's absolutely gorgeous out here. If you're ever out this way, if you're in Australia, do venture out to this beautiful place. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I'll be heading back today to New Zealand, another beautiful country we have. And I'd really like to do videos on one of the most beautiful places around the world. This is capturing it. And Tweed Heads is one of them. So I've really had a wonderful stay here. I've been here the last couple of days. I was staying in actual Brisbane in a place called Springwood with my other sister. Now I'm out here in this beautiful place where my other sister's staying. Wow, isn't it nice to have many sisters and brothers? I'm from a family of 13 children, and there's 11 of us still around, and most of us live here in Australia. But if you take in this beautiful view, I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. So I love it here, and I do tend to would love to come back here again and see this beautiful sight. Yeah, so just listening to all those waves crashing, and it's absolutely beautiful. Can't imagine anywhere else you want to be right now. Watching these guys surfing, it's beautiful. Camping grounds just up ahead of me, behind me. And the beaches there. Now, wouldn't you want to be coming to stay in the camping grounds? I would, but that's if you don't know someone who's in the area. Oh, but this is so beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Yeah. And over that side, I believe is New Zealand. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning into my video about Australia. It's one of the most beautiful countries you can visit. And New Zealand. So if you're watching this video, I have many other YouTube videos on areas in New Zealand as well as here in Australia. I used to live in Perth. Perth is also one of the most amazing places. The beaches, everything out that way is beautiful. It just gets a little bit hot during summer, but it's just the way it is. You can't have everything perfect, right? So yeah, this is Lily, and this will be my last day here today. I'll be back to work tomorrow in New Zealand. Okay, cheers for now, guys. Bye.